Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára ti òní. Welcome to today's online class. Mo lérò wípé a gbádùn ẹ̀kọ́ wa tí ó kọjá lórí iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Of course, we enjoyed our last class on farming. Farming is one of the traditional occupations, so we'll be looking at something exciting today. We are looking at Igbese tí àgbẹ̀ yóò gbé kí ire oko fi yọ dáadáa. That is, the steps a farmer would take to ensure the growth or the germination of his crops. That is what we'll be looking at today. For a crop to germinate, a farmer would have taken some extra measures to ensure that his crops germinate and grows very, very well. Pick up your writing materials to jot down few points. Yes, it's important. Oríṣiríṣi ìgbésẹ̀ ni àgbẹ̀ máa gbé láti jẹ́ kí ire oko wọn kó hù dáadáa. That is, a farmer would have taken a lot of steps to ensure the growth of his crops. Number one, lílo ajílẹ̀, using of fertilizer. Is either you use fertilizer or use manure. When you use this, the crop will germinate very, very well. The vegetables will be very green. Yes, lílo ajílẹ̀. Ìkejì ni ìtọ́jú àti lílo omi, care for the farm and using of water. That is, they are going to ensure that they weed the farm and also they water it at the appropriate time. This is very important for the growth of the crops. Number one, ríro oko, that is weeding it, bíbu omi rin oko, watering it, lílo ajílẹ̀, using of fertilizer, just as you can see on your screen. Now we are looking at àǹfààní iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀, importance of farming. Oríṣiríṣi àǹfààní ló wà. Number one, ìpèsè iṣẹ́ òòjọ́, provision of daily needs, fífi oúnjẹ fún ẹni tí ebi ń pa, provision of food, ìpèsè oko, ó ń dáni lókòwò. That is, a daily job, provides a daily job. And these are the farm proceeds. You can see a lot. This is just little of all proceeds you can see on the farm. I hope you enjoyed this class. Yes, if you have any question, you can send it to me. Now, let's go to our evaluation. Yes, let's go to our evaluation. Kí ni àgbẹ̀ máa ń ṣe tí ire oko fi yọ jáde dáadáa? What will a farmer do to ensure that his crops germinate well? Kan àǹfààní iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Give me importance of iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Thank you. Jot down the important notes, then do your evaluation. Thank you.